Think your RC car is fast? Most hobbyists are totally missing out on the best RC cars that dominate tracks and crush rivals. What if your current setup is holding you back from insane speed and insane control? You won't believe which models leave everyone else in the dust. Discover the hidden game changers of RC racing. Best RC cars that thrill like never before. Let's start. Number 5. Blue Jay remote control car takes off at a blazing 33 kilometers per hour thanks to its powerful RC380 motor, delivering adrenaline-pumping speed with zero delay via the 2.4 GHz remote and 50-meter control range. Its ABS chassis and aluminum alloy frame make it ultra-durable, built to withstand crashes while staying lightweight. LED headlights and chassis lights illuminate night adventures, while dual 7.4-volt, 1400 mAh Li-ion batteries offer up to 70 minutes of non-stop action. Perfect for off-road thrills, family fun, and gifting, this RC monster truck combines speed, durability, and pure excitement in one package. Number 4. Highboxing 1/18 scale all-terrain RC car 18859 is a thrilling four-wheel drive off-road monster that hits speeds up to 36 kph thanks to its high-performance brushed RC380 motor and solid drivetrain. With splash-proof electronics, independent suspension, high-grip knobby tires, and 2 rechargeable LiPo batteries, it's ready for grass, gravel, or concrete. Right out of the box. The 2.4 GHz remote ensures stable control up to 280 feet, making it fast, durable, and insanely fun. Perfect for adrenaline-packed racing or hobbyist collectors. Experience speed, toughness, and non-stop excitement. Number 3. Hosim 114 RTR brushless RC truck is a powerhouse designed for thrill seekers, hitting speeds up to 50 miles per hour with its 2847 3100 kV brushless motor and upgraded 45-amp ESC. Built for durability, it features a Gen 5 helical differential, 40 CR steel drivetrain, and precision carbon steel dog bones for smooth, unstoppable off-road performance. Dual 3S batteries deliver 60-plus minutes of non-stop fun, while 2.4 GHz remote ensures precise control up to 492 feet. Conquer dirt, gravel, and grass with adjustable shocks, LED headlights, and pro-level handling. Perfect for adults seeking speed, power, and adventure. Number 2. HyperGo H16BM 1/16 RTR brushless high-speed electric 4x4 off-road RC car delivers insane 42-mile-per-hour thrills straight out of the box. Featuring a Hobby 2845 4200 kV brushless motor with metal heatsink and cooling fans, its durable metal gears and honeycomb chassis handle jumps, flips, and rough terrain effortlessly. Pre-mounted sponge tires with oil-filled absorbers ensure smooth, high-speed driving, while dual 2S LiPo batteries offer long-lasting performance. Perfect for adults craving speed, stunts, and durability. This RC monster combines power, precision, and safety for ultimate off-road fun. Number 1. Crobel 1/10 brushless RC drift car redefines high-speed excitement with its carbon fiber body and max 50-mile-per-hour performance. Packed with a 60A ESC 3650 to 3300 kV motor with cooling fans and metal heat sinks, this 4x4 all-terrain powerhouse handles rough terrain with precision. Its gyro-assisted 5-channel transmitter ensures smoother drifting and better control, while reinforced clipless body design minimizes shaking at top speeds. Upgraded chrome steel helical gears, vibration-dampening drive shafts, and realistic lighting effects make it durable, reliable, and visually stunning. Perfect for adrenaline-fueled RC enthusiasts.